everyone, are you still in search for welding rods? We have different types of welding rods here in our shop. Want to know more about these welding rods? Please keep on watching.
The rod is used to sustain the welding arc and to provide the filler metal required for the joint to be welded. Here at KDG Tools we have different types of welding rods which are also the widely used ones. 308L is suitable for welding stainless steels. 7018 is suitable for welding carbon steel and ideal for structural applications like bridges and vessels. 6013 is best used for light to medium penetration on thin or sheet metal pieces. If you need assistance on what welding rod to use, don't hesitate to visit us in our hardware shop here in Carmona, Cavite.
Again, I'm Pauline from KDG Tools and Equipment. See you in our next video.